Earn money from Swagbucks, a guide to maximizing earnings. In recent years, online platforms have become increasingly popular for making some extra cash. One such platform that has gained popularity is Swagbucks. Through Swagbucks, users can earn money by completing various activities such as taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, and much more. This video will guide you on how to maximize your earnings from Swagbucks. Signing up for Swagbucks is free and straightforward. All you need is an email address and some basic information. Once signed up, you can start earning points called Swagbucks (SB) by completing different tasks. These SBs can later be converted into cash via PayPal or redeemable gift cards from popular retailers. One of the most lucrative ways to earn SBs is by completing surveys. Swagbucks offers a wide range of surveys on various topics, and each survey typically rewards you with several hundred SBs upon completion. To maximize your earnings, regularly check for new surveys and complete them promptly. You might not qualify for each survey, but with persistence, you can find plenty that will reward you. Another way to earn SBs is through the watch section on Swagbucks. You can watch various videos and earn a predetermined number of SBs for each video completed. Additionally, consider installing the Swag button extension on your browser. The Swag button allows you to earn SBs while surfing the web, as it notifies you of available video playlists or money-saving opportunities. If you enjoy playing games, Swagbucks offers multiple games that allow you to earn SBs. Look for games with higher payouts and spend some time enjoying them while earning cash. It is a great way to relax and earn at the same time. Swagbucks also offers cashback and discounts for shopping online through their platform. By using their links to shop at popular retailers, you can earn a certain percentage of your purchase back in SBs. Keep an eye out for special promotions and maximize your earnings by making online purchases through Swagbucks. Additionally, Swagbucks offers daily goals that provide bonus SBs for reaching certain milestones. It is essential to set achievable daily goals and try to meet them consistently to maximize your earnings. Furthermore, completing daily polls, participating in Swagbucks referral program, and entering daily swag stakes can all contribute to your overall earnings. Although Swagbucks offers many opportunities to earn money, it is crucial to approach it with a reasonable mindset. It may take some time and effort to accumulate a significant amount of SBs, so it is important not to view it as a get-rich-quick scheme. However, by consistently engaging in various activities and taking advantage of the available offers, you can slowly but steadily increase your earnings. In conclusion, Swagbucks is a legitimate platform to earn money online. By completing surveys, watching videos, playing games, shopping through their platform, and taking advantage of daily goals, you can maximize your earnings. However, remember that patience and consistency are key. So, sign up for Swagbucks today and start earning some extra cash.